Şerik şerik yenten Şeyin rikbi yenten
Dajin lok tu tulu Meta maybe norbo Shirik yenten ino Dajin lok tu tulu Meta maybe norbo Shirik yenten ino
Kuzu Zampula to all the listeners across the country. This is Doji Dolma from Jimina Primary School. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. The lesson for today is for class 2, subject maths on the topic numbers up to 100. Today you will mainly learn about the usage of place value chart for two-digit numbers and describe numbers as a group of tens and ones. First of all, let's review the numbers that you have learned in class 1. If you are listening to the radio, count after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, we'll do a small activity on numbers. That activity is number quiz. For number quiz, I will ask you few questions and you will try and guess the correct answer. Are you all ready? Okay, let's begin. Now, question number 1. What number comes after 20? Listen, after 20. That's right, it is 21. 20, then 21. Now, question number 2. What number comes before 30? Yes, the correct answer is 29. Before number 30 comes 29, then 30. Now, question number 3. What number comes between 35 and 38? Listen to the question carefully. It's saying between 35 and 38. The number that comes after 35 are 36 and 37. So, the number that is between 35 and 38 are 36 and 37. Now, question number 4. What number comes before 81? Before 81. Wow, yes, it's 80. So, number that comes before 81 is 80. What number comes after 99? Great, it's 100. So, this quiz was a revision of numbers that you have learned in class 1. Now, you will learn to fill up the numbers in place value chart or the place value table. This place value chart or the place value table you have already learned in class 1. Even then, I'll explain once more. As each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position, so the place value chart helps us to know the position of a digit in a number and its value. It makes easier for us to read the numbers. You will understand this after solving few examples. Can you look at the same? Okay. Now, there you will see first number given is 32. Here you see that 30 is put below 1's place value as 2 is in the right side. That's why 2 is written below 1's place value. And 3 is in 10's place value. We write 3 below 10's in the place value chart. Remember, we always say place values from right to left. That is from 1's to tens. I repeat once more. We always say place values from right to left, that is from ones to tens. So 3 tens and 2 ones is 32, or 32 is 3 tens and 2 ones. Now, in the same way, you can try to fill up the place value chart for the rest of the questions. There are 3 questions given below. Look at question number 1. The number given there is 56. And you can see the place value chart also given. There you can see ones and tens written on the place value chart. Right side number is number 6. So write 6 in ones place value, and the next number is 5. So write 5 below tens place value on the place value chart. I repeat, 5 in tens and 6 in ones place value. Okay, now let's try question number 2. There the number given is 55. Here both the numbers are 5. So you can write 1 5 below ones place value and the second 5 in the tens place value. Therefore 5 tens and 5 ones is 55. Now question number 3 has the number 90. Where will you write the digit 0? Yes, as 0 is in the ones place value, you will write the 0 below the ones place value on the place value chart and 9 below the tens place value. So, in this activity, you learned to put the numbers under its place value in a chart, and there you learned that each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position. I repeat, each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position. As per that, now you will learn to describe numbers as a group of tens and ones. Grouping of numbers helps you to know the values of each digit as per its position. Once more, grouping of number helps you to know the values of each digit as per its positions. Now look at the activity 2 in your sim. Here you are to fill in the blanks by grouping the numbers in tens and ones. There's one question solved for you as an example. The number given is 36. I repeat, the number given is 36. You can break up numbers by expressing them in tens and ones. I'll tell you how. 36. So the right side number is 6. That means 6 ones. Now the left hand side number is 3. That means 3 tens. 3 tens also means 3 times 10, which equals to 30. Therefore 36 is made up of 30 and 6 more. Or it can also be said as 36 is 3 tens and 6 ones. I repeat, 36 is 3 tens and 6 ones. Now, let me tell you a simple method of breaking a number in tens and ones. For any number less than 100, add a 0 to the first digit, that is to the numbers of tens. Second digit is the number of ones, so it remains as the same given digits. Okay, now let's try to do the rest of the questions. The question number 1, the number given is 55 is dash tens and dash ones. So here you can see 55. So you can write it is 5 tens and 5 ones. Now the second number 100 It is little bit difficult as it has 3-digit numbers, and till now you had been doing for 2 digits. So I'll tell you how to do when there are 3 digits numbers but only 2 blanks. When we have 3-digit numbers, right side number in ones blank, and that is 0 in the ones blank. Now we have 2 digits left in the left side, but only 1 blank in tens. So put them together and write them together in the tens blank. So it becomes 100 is 10 tens and 0 ones. I will repeat. 100 is 10 tens and 0 ones. Hope you now know how to describe numbers in groups of tens and ones. Well, children, today you learned about the usage of place value chart for 2-digit numbers, as place value chart helps us to know the position of a digit in a number and its value. Then you learned to describe numbers as a group of tens and ones, as these groupings of number helps us to know the values of each digits. Now, to explore or to learn by yourself further, there are 2 questions for you. I'll read the questions. Question number 1, which number comes after 100? And question number 2, which number comes after 99? You write the answers by yourself. You can check your answers from the answer table given at the end of the lesson. Hope you have understood my lesson and hope it will help you. Thank you. We will continue in the next lesson. Stay safe, stay clean, keep washing your hands.
Şerik 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 yenten Şeyin rik bi yenten
Dajin lop tu tulu meta me binurbu shirik yenten ino Dajin lop tu tulu meta me binurbu shirik